Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Dwight from Handles with Care Outdoor Services. This is a project from one of our real estate partners. I thought it was a great representation of who we are and what we do. We get a lot of jobs like this. This job, um, I did it completely by myself. I was up for the challenge. I love doing these type of things, and just renovating and making it, look good. At the end of the day, this is just really a cleanup job, nothing really fancy, nothing too spectacular. I started recording late. By the time I started recording, I had trimmed all the bushes. The rose bushes were about 4 feet, 5 feet high. The tall grass, which you'll see on both sides, those are taller than me, and I'm about 6'5", so I give you a great example of how tall those things were. And it was really just neglect at the end of the day, and the whole object of the project was really just to take back control and make it presentable for my client to be able to sell the house. So after we cleared everything, we just wanted to get ready to lay about 3 inches of mulch and go from there. So sit back, watch, let me know what you think. Yep. Move it out. Little mulch on there. A little black on the border, so rain. A little screen. There goes my labor. Free labor. Don't tell anybody. That's a quick step-by-step of this particular project. I've removed a lot of mulch, chopped some bushes down, dramatically trimmed the bushes and tall grass. When I was trimming the rose bushes, I found out they had tags on them, so that was a big part of why we actually kept those there. They look pretty nice, but like I said, nothing too dramatic. We kept the same exact borders just to make it presentable. To be sold actually, and it sold pretty fast, so congratulations to my client. I'll be doing a lot more videos like these in the future. Comment down below, let me know what you guys want to see.